Hello everyone, today we are going to make another example of heat engine. For this we need a stick with a pointed top. We have a spiral from a paper and put some heater in case it's a candle. So candle hit the air goes up and push the paper, and then it starts to rotate, and then the convection rotates the spiral. It's a very nice idea. It's actually also working for so-called Solar Updraft Towers, that you can make a solar power station using the convection. And this, for example, is made in Spain, in Manzanares Solar Power Station. It's about 5 hectares of greenhouses, in the middle of which stand a high chimney at a height of almost 200 meters. So the greenhouse hit the grounds and the air start to going up through the chimney and start to rotate some turbines which generate electricity. The good point here is that it's also working during the night after the sunset, because the heat continue to induce this airlift 6-7 hours after the sunset, because the ground is still heated. So this is one way to use a solar power station. And if you like the video, you can give a thumb up and subscribe to the channel. That's it. Bye for now.